Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan. I'm a spiritual guide, a healer, and a medium. And this is a weekly series of channel messages from your angels. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends. As far as these channel messages, these are going to help you as far as understanding better, as far as the energies that are coming forth, understanding better what is coming up, which is meant to be released, understanding better which direction you should be taking. And make sure to only take what resonates with you, because this is a general channeled message. Now on with the channel message. Have you been feeling a different type of energy the last couple of days? You've been feeling something is different, because right now we're just about to embark on a completely new journey. Because over the next 3 months, mark it on your calendar, over the next 3 months, meaning now, May, June, July, by August 1st, you're going to go through an incredible transformation inside. You're going to discover things at a much deeper level. You'll be letting go more and more, and it's going to become easier and easier. And as far as the energy right now, it is a very uplifting energy. But if you're remotely struggling right now with certain things, if you're still having difficulty letting go of certain things, you might find your vibrational frequency is going to drop this week. So really pay attention as far as what is it that you're consuming. If it's remotely bringing you down, make sure to remove it if you're able to, or else limit your exposure. And whatever is helping you raise your vibration, whatever is making you feel better, continue to consume more and more. And this week is really all about tapping into your heart space, letting go of this rationally thinking, no matter what idea you have as far as how is it that you want to move forward, tapping into your heart space. And then as far as your thoughts that are coming forward, taking a step back, becoming more of an observer, because certain things might come up this week that you were unaware of. Certain things might all of a sudden come up as far as something from your past that you thought that you had already released, but it's coming up to be released once more. But this time, as you release it, you will be letting go of the control that this person or this situation has had on you. Therefore, you are going to start to empower yourself. It is going to help to create more and more of that self-love, that self-confidence, which is going to help you to move forward in the upcoming 3 months. And as this transformation happens, don't resist anything that is coming up. Really remain present. Whatever is coming up, understand this. It's either coming up to be let go of. If it's you're being triggered to see, are you going to have the same response you once did? Or have you learned something? In the example, this past winter, did you learn something that's helping you see a situation from a different perspective? Really start to see everything that is happening, it is happening for you and not against you. And as far as your manifestations, they are on the way. But you're being given the gift of time this week. You're being given the time to prepare for this. You're being given the time to see more clearly what is it that you truly want. What is it that you truly desire when you tap into your heart space and you let go of your ego self. Because as you all know, you first have your spiritual awakening, but then after a while, you start to realize certain things that you once wanted, you no longer want them in the exact same way. And as far as moving forward, you will be gaining such a deep leveled understanding about yourself at a soul level, at a spirit level in the upcoming 3 months, if you don't resist what is coming up. If you pay attention to your thoughts, you pay attention to your visions, you pay attention to your dreams, very valuable information is going to be coming forth. And for those of you who've gone through that inner healing and you're preparing yourself to start to push forward on your journey, you're feeling pulled towards a certain direction, don't let the outcome dictate your actions. And what I mean by this, don't let the outcome as far as, don't pick the easiest route. Don't just go for something because you know you're competent enough to achieve it. Don't go for something just because you know it's going to take the least amount of effort. Because this spiritual journey, even though we feel all these heightened emotions, it's an incredible journey as far as emotionally. You're still meant to learn a lot more. As much as you've learned in the past, you're going to learn far more in the future. And as far as the direction that you want to take right now, tap into your heart space. Really tap in your heart space. Your intuition knows which route you should take. It might seem at first, this is too hard. I am not ready for this. I don't have the qualifications in order to be successful. Whether you're going to be successful or not is not the question here. The question here is which life lesson will be the most valuable. Because it's through this journey of stepping out of our comfort zone, discovering ourselves at a deeper level, discovering how capable we are. That is what transforms us. It's not taking the easy route or you won't even have to put any effort and you will be successful. It's going into the dark. It's opening that doorway to the unknown, that you're truly going to discover yourself and what you're capable of. And the majority of the time, what ends up happening is your spiritual gifts, your spiritual abilities get heightened during this time. Your level of faith rises during this time. Your certainty rises during this time. And then something magical happens. Belief. You're able to completely change your belief system. Your inner knowing that no matter what it appears like, as far as in front of you, what your reality appears like, you know that you're progressing down the right path. You know that all these changes that you're making inside and outside is leading you exactly where you should go. And this journey has just begun. This journey has just begun, and don't view it as a sprint. It is a marathon. It is each and every single day tapping into your passion. Each and every single day doing something that you love. And as you do this more and more, whether it's for a career or for your own personal benefit, it doesn't matter, because it's automatically going to raise your vibration. It's automatically going to start to attract abundance from all different areas of your life. And as far as your manifestations, they're going to come forth in perfect divine timing. Once you're able to start to get yourself in the present moment, you're able to start to see things that you never once saw. You're able to see more signs and synchronicity. You're able to see more beauty than you've ever been able to see. And as you do this, it will naturally raise up your vibration. It'll naturally create more self-love, more self-worth. It'll help raise your level of confidence to allow you to be prepared for the next upcoming challenge. And it's about the journey. Your angels want you to know it's about the journey and not the destination. Because you might think you know the destination right now. You might have a broad idea, but your angels and your guides have plans for you. Most likely much bigger plans than what is it you have envisioned so far. And as for those of you who meditate, each and every single day when you meditate, tap into your heart space first and foremost. Tap into that love vibration. Send out love to your loved ones. Send out love to everyone who holds near and dear in your heart. And become grateful. Start to become more and more grateful for what you already have. And be ready, willing, and able to receive what you don't already have. Because half the battle with this spiritual journey is truly feeling worthy. Truly feeling like you deserve this. And I have one question for you. Does God not want you to be happy? And in this life, we need money in order to survive. And just view it as an extension of God's love. And be ready, willing, and able to accept it. And spend it wisely. As in, the more you have, the more you're going to be able to share with others. Because your mission, it might not be clear right now, but it is to help raise the overall collective as far as the vibrational frequency of the overall collective. It is to shift from 3D into 5D. And the quicker you're able to let go of hanging on to materialistic goods, staying in that lack mentality, and you're able to start to begin to view these as something borrowed, the faster everything is going to align up. So moving forward, whatever is going to be coming up, even though it might appear negative at first, it might be painful at first, allow it to be released. Whatever is coming up is meant to be released to help you raise your vibrational frequency in order to access information that right now you might not currently be able to. But as you raise your vibrational frequency, you're going to start to gain access to certain information that's going to help heal some past experience. It's going to help you understand why certain situations turned out in a certain way, why certain individuals acted a certain way towards you. And it's about forgiving and letting go and moving on with the most authentic version of yourself. This is something important. Over the next 3 months, you're going to discover at a much deeper level who you are. You're going to be wanting to begin to express. Some of you, your throat chakra will be opening over the next 3 months. Allow your light to shine for all the right reasons. Be the most authentic version of yourself, because that is what's going to attract your high vibe tribe to you at a much faster pace. The more authentic you are, the more true to yourself you are, the faster you're going to bring forth individuals that are going to be a match to this vibrational frequency. So you guys have a wonderful week. Make sure to tap into your heart space, take a step back, become the observer of what's coming up, give yourself permission to release it, and enjoy this incredible journey that's going to be happening within you, because it will transform you over the next 3 months. Well, you guys have a wonderful week. I love you guys. You guys have an incredible day. Namaste.